The cormorant is a medium to large waterbird with a wide distribution, also known as the fish eagle in some regions. Its body is streamlined and almost entirely black, with a metallic greenish-bronze sheen. This fish-eating aquatic bird often moves in small groups. It is an excellent swimmer and diver. While swimming, its neck is stretched upright and its head tilts slightly upward. When diving, it first leaps slightly out of the water before flipping and plunging in. Its wings have evolved to assist in paddling underwater, allowing it to move swiftly below the surface. After diving, its feathers become soaked, so it must spread its wings in the sun to dry before it can fly. In flight, it stretches its head and neck straight forward and its legs backward. Its wingbeats are slow, and it flies low, often skimming just above the water surface. The cormorant was added to the IUCN Red List of threatened species in 2013.